Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be setting up animations for our rifle and pistol. So first of all, right here in the parameters, let's create few parameters. The first one will be of type bool by the name of pistol active. Then the next bool will be rifle active, and then the last one will be reloading. Alright, then right here create a substrate machine. Name this as pistol. Right, let me zoom in. Okay, let's move this right here a little bit, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this movement blend tree and drag and drop it inside the pistol. Okay, then let's open this up. Here it is. Let's name this as pistol as well. And if you double click on it and select the blend tree right here, as you can see, these are the idle animations. So we will be removing this, and instead of this we will be adding the pistol animation. So if you open up the rifle folder, in here we have the gun folder. Okay, let's open up all of these animations like this. Okay, then for the idle we will be adding this first idle, which is this one. So select it, drag and drop that idle. Then we have this pistol walk, so I'm going to select it and drag and drop the pistol walk. And then we have this pistol run, okay, which is this one. So select the blend tree and drag and drop that in there. Once you do this, then what we're gonna do, let me tell you that open up the rifle folder, and in the rifle folder search for the reloading animation, not this one, not this one. Okay, we need this reloading animation right here, which is just by the name of reloading. Okay, so just drag and drop it in here. Make a reference from pistol to reloading, and then from reloading back to pistol. Okay, let's remove that, and right here set reloading to true, and then in the other one set reloading to false. That is all we have to do. Then let's make a transition from pistol to the up base layer, and in the up base layer select movement. Okay, this is now a reference to this movement blend tree. Okay, and when we are going from pistol to movement, it means that the pistol active gets false. Okay, so select pistol active and set it to false. Then make a reference from movement blend tree to pistol. Select states, then select pistol, and in this one now set the pistol active to true. Okay, that is all we have to do for the pistol. Okay, now we will be doing the same for the rifle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate this pistol. Okay, and let me delete this. Okay, and let's rename this to rifle. And when you name it rifle, leave the reloading as it is. Just select the transition, and as you can see it has this reloading, so leave this as it is. Select pistol blend tree, and in here we will just change the animations. So let me open up these animations. Okay, we have the idle right here, so select it, drag and drop the idle. Then we have the walk, so drag and drop the walk, and then the run. Okay, and if you make this 0 plate, okay, so as you can see this will be the animation. Alright, and select this blend tree and name this as rifle. Now make a transition from rifle to movement. Select the transition, remove that, and set rifle active to true. Then get back to the base layer, make a transition from movement to rifle, select the transition and set the rifle active to true. In the other one, make sure that it is false, and in this one, make sure it is true and as exact time is removed. Okay, we also need to make a transition from pistol to rifle and from rifle to pistol. So let's make a transition from rifle to pistol, select it, add a condition and set pistol active true. But if you notice, this transition is showing this warning, so let me delete it and open up the rifle substate, and now from this rifle make a transition to up base layer, select states, then select pistol, and inside pistol select pistol again. And when you make that transition, then go back, here it is now. Okay, remove as exact time, and right here when we are moving from rifle to pistol, set the pistol active to true and set rifle active to false. Now let's open a pistol, make a reference from pistol, blend tree to base layer, states, rifle, select rifle, get back, select this transition, remove that. This time set pistol active to false and set the rifle active to true. That is all we have to do for the animations, alright? Make sure that you follow this video step by step and set up all of the animation in the same way as I did. And once you do it, then you are good to go to work on your shooting controller. So in the next video we will do that.